Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. My beloved students, how are you? Are you fine? Are you safe in your home? How is your family? Have you taken your breakfast? Okay. I think you are fit and fine. You have good breakfast and you have good experience of online class. I think so. Okay. We are discussing the fourth chapter, factors and multiples. We have studied the 70% of the chapter. What is factor? What is prime number? What is odd number? What is even number? What is composite number? And the prime factorization, two methods of prime factorization, tree method and division method. Today we are going to discuss very important one. It is very important one. Okay, so you have to take it serious. Okay, highest common factor, HCF, highest common factor. Our today's discussion is about highest common factor. HCF. Okay, yes. What is highest common factor? We have studied every number have factors. Every number has factors. Okay, and there are common factors. Here common factors means, please listen here, 6, 10. Which are the factors of 6? Yes, 2 into 3. Next one. Is there any factors? 2 into 6. Yes, these are the factors. Factors of 6 is 2, 3, 1, 6. Am I correct or not? Yes. Then what are which are the factors of 10? Yes, 2 into 5. Okay. Okay. These are the factors of 10, this and factors of 6. Then which is the common factor here? Yes, here a 2, here a 2. Okay. The factors of 6 there is 2. In the factors of 10 there is 2. Then this is the common factor. Then 2 is the common factor. Okay. There 3, no, here 3, then 3 is not common factor in the case of 6 and 10. And 1 is already common factor of every number, we didn't consider it. So 6, no, there is no 6 in the factors of 10 and 10. Okay, then only one common factor is here. So our discussion about highest common factor, there may be one more factors, then we have to take the highest one, not smallest, we have to take the highest. Here only one common factor, then this is the highest common factor. Okay, just imagine, let us discuss in the example of our textbook. Okay. Yes, example 1. Find the HCF of 18 and 30. Okay, we have discussed about what is highest common factor. Each and every number, prime number has factors, and there may be common factors. We have discussed about the common factor, and we have to select the highest common factor. Okay, then the first question, find the HCF of 18 and 30. 18 and 30. Okay, which are the factors of 18? Yes, we have discussed the two methods to factorization. Which are they? Yes, tree method and division method. Let us take the division method. Then 18. Okay, then we can divide by 2. Then 9. We can divide by 3. Then 3. We can divide by 3. 1. Okay. Then another method, tree method. Okay. Okay. Then 2 into 6, 2 into 3, 6. Then there may be another factorization. Please listen here. Okay, 3 into 6, 18. This is the another factorization. Okay. Yes, then let us consider the factors of 18. The factors of 18, there is 1, because 1 into 18, 18. Then 3 into 6, 18. Then 2 into 9, 18. Is there anyone else? No. Okay. Then the factors of 18, just write here, factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factors of 18. These are the factors of 18. Okay. Then factors of 30, 1 into 30, 30, 2 into 15, 30, 6 into 5, 30. Then 30. 10 times 3, 30. Then, is there anyone else? Okay. These are the factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. These are the factors of 30. These are the factors of 30. Okay. Then, what is the discussion? Highest common factor. Our discussion about highest common factor. Here, highest common factor, which are the common factors? First, we have to select the common factor. 1 is common factor because here and here. Then 1, we can avoid it because all number have the same common factor, which is 1. 1 is the common factor of all number. So, we just avoid it. The next one, which are there? Yes, 2. Yes, 2 is the common factor. 2 is common factor, no highest common factor. 2 is the common factor. Two, then 3, yes, 3. 3 is the common factor. 5, no, 5 is not a common factor because 5 is only factor of 30, not the factor of 18. Okay, so we can avoid 5. 6, 6 is the common factor of each. 6 is the common factor. 9, no 9 here. 10, no 10 here. 18, no. Then the only 3 common factors are there when we consider the factors of 18 and 30. Okay, did you understand? First and foremost, we have to find out the factors of the number. Then we find the factors of 18 and 30. After that, we have to select the common factors. Which are the common factors? Here 2, 3, 6. How can we consider these are the common factor? Because the 2 is the factor of 30 and the factor of 18. It is why we selected 2 as a common factor. Okay, common factor means the both number consider the same factor, then it will be the common factor. Okay, so 2 is the common factor, 3 is the common factor, 6 is the common factor. After that, our discussion is about highest common factor. Okay, HCF. Then 2 is not the highest. When we consider these 3 numbers, then which is the highest? 2, 3, 6. 2, no, 2 is the smallest here. 3, the middle. 6, highest. Yes, 6 is the highest common factor. Then here HCF. HCF is 6. Okay, do you understand? Highest common factor is 6. 2, 3, 6. Then 6 is the highest. Okay, very simple. Okay. Example 2. Find the HCF of 24 and 36. Find the HCF of 24 and 36. Okay, can you find? Try your best. Please take your notebook and pen. Please write this question. Find the HCF of 24 and 36. 24 and 36. Very simple question. Okay. Did you get the answer? May I help you? Yes. First we have to consider the factors of 24. Which are the factors of 24? Yes. 24 into 1. Then 2 into 12. Okay. 3 into 8, 24. Then 4 into 6, 24. Then is there anyone? Okay. These are the factors of 24. Then we can write here from in ascending order. Okay, ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then now 5, 6. Then 8, 12, 24. Okay, these are the factors of 24. These are the factors of 24. Okay, then we have to find out the factors of 36. Which are the factors of 36? Yes, 1 into 36. Then 2 into 18. 2 into 18, 36. Then 3 into 12. 3 into 12, 36. Okay. Then 4 into 9. 4 into 9, 36. Then is there 6 into 6, 36. Then these are the factors of 36. Then we can write in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5, 6, then 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay, these are the factors of 36. These are the factors of 36. Then we have to find out HCF. Then we get the factors of each number. We get the factors of each number 24 and 36. We can select the common factor. Next step, we can select the common factor. Here 2, here 2. Then 2 is a common factor. 3, 3. 3 is the common factor. Then 4, 4. 4 is the common factor. 6, 6. 6 is the common factor. 9, there is no 9. Then 9 is not common factor. 8, there is no 8. Then 8 is not common factor. 12, 12 is common factor because here and here 12 is common factor. Then 18, there is no 18. 36, there is no 24. Okay, these are the common factors. These are the common factors. These are the CF. These are CF. Then then it is very simple to find out the HCF. HCF, because we get CF 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then which is the HCF? Very simple. 12 is the HCF because it is the highest one. Considering 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 12 is the highest. 2 is the smallest. Okay. Then HCF is here 12. Okay. Very simple. Yes, it is very simple. When we get a question about finding HCF of any two numbers, first and foremost we have to find out the factors of that number. After that we have to select the common factors. At last we have to select which is the highest one. Then that is the highest common factor, HCF. Okay. Please write down in your notebook. Okay. Yes. Factorization method of finding HCF. There is a simple method to finding HCF, which is factorization method. Okay. Yes. This is the very simple way to find out HCF. It is the very simple way to find out the HCF. There is an example. We can take the same example as we take here 18 and 30. Whatever may be. Here example 1. Find the HCF of 54. 54 and 72. The prime factorization method. Okay, factorizing numbers using prime factorization method. Okay, this is the factorization method of finding HCF. Okay, we are going to find the HCF by using which method? Factorization method. Okay, then here first step we have to factorize each two number. Okay, each number. Okay, then factorization of 54. Then (27). Factorization, first we have to, this is the division method. Okay, then we can divide 27 by 3. Then 9. 9 can be factorization by divided by 3. Then we get 3. Okay, 3, 1. This is the factorization. Okay, we can write here 2 into 3 is 2. 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, this 3 and 3. There are 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then 2. This is the 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 54. Then next step we have to factorize 72. We have to factorize 72. 2. Okay. Then 2. (18), 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. Okay. Do you understand? We have studied the division method. It is very simple. 72 can be divided by 2, then we get 36. Then we can divide by 2, then we get quotient 18. Then we can divide by 2, then 9. 9 cannot be divided by 2, then we take 3. 9 can be divided by 3, then we get quotient 3. Then 3 can be divided by 3, then 1. Okay. Then the factors of 72. Yes, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. These are the factors of 72. These are the factors of 72. Next step, we can select the common factors. Which are the common factors? Yes, 2, this 2. There is 2 common factor. Then we can write here common factor 2. Then 3. Yes, here a 3 and here a 3. Then 3 is a common factor. Then another 3. Yes, here 3. Here also a 3. Then 3. Then here a 3. Here double 2. But these are not common factor. Okay. Common factors are only 2, 3, 3. 2, 3, 3. Then if we multiply these 3 numbers, if we multiply these 3 numbers, we get HCF. Okay. Then 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3. Yes, 18. 18 is the HCF. 18 is the HCF. Okay. Did you understand? The HCF of 54 and 72 is 18. How we find out? First, using factorization method. There are 2 methods, division method and tree method. We used here division method. First we have to factorize 54 and second we have to find out the factors of 72 by division method. Yes, here we divided. After that we just write the factors. Okay. Then after that we have to select the common factors. We have to select the common factor. Here 2 and 2 is a common factor. Then 3 and 3 common factor. Then 3 common factor. Okay. Then there are only 3 common factors, 2, 3, 3. Then next step we have to multiply these numbers. Then we get the HCF. Very simple way. When we get the HCF. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18. Then 18 is the HCF of 54 and 72. Okay. There is example 2. Find the HCF of 144 and 240 by using the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay. Yes. You have to find out the answer. There is answer, but you don't look there. You first and foremost you have to write your own answer, then you just compare and where is fault, where is correct, and you can compare, then it will be benefit for you. Okay.